like we understood because we had seen the hummingbird.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like we had seen how things work.
Have you ever seen those Egyptian gliders? They found these gliders, these wooden things that they carved that look like fucking planes, and they were in some of the tombs that they had found. Thousands of years old. Looks like a fucking airplane. I mean, straight up looks
Da
exactly
Vinci
like an airplane.
is saying that these are things talked about there. Like
Forever.
even if you're just following Jesus,